Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 41. In most developing countries, a large of the labor force is engaged in A. Trading, B. Farming, C. Agriculture, D. Manufacturing. So we're looking at developing countries in general and what percentage or what the highest percentage of labor force is engaged in. Now we have option A, trading, B, farming, which is a facet of agriculture, and then D, manufacturing. Now most developing countries, in almost all developing countries, the mainstay of the economy or the highest percentage of the economy is usually associated with agriculture. Now developing countries in general are also associated for their agricultural products they provide and export in general. Now the reason for this is because, or the reason why developing countries rely heavily on agriculture is based on the fact that agricultural productivity is essential for food security, and food security is usually a challenge associated with developing countries. So once food security is established, basically most of their problems are already solved, and it also plays a role in reducing or in poverty reduction, so reduction of poverty, and if done properly, it in the long run will enhance the economy. So agriculture is the mainstay of the economy of developing countries. Hence, a large percentage of the labor force is engaged in agriculture due to its numerous benefits to the economy of those countries. So the correct answer is C, agriculture. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.